When wiring on a harness system is compromised by a cut or break, the whole system is vulnerable to moisture, chemicals, and corrosion. As this test shows, one small nick allows moisture to enter. Then, capillary action causes this moisture to wick its way throughout the entire system, putting a trailer out of commission for time-consuming and expensive repairs. In our test, the wire on the left is a standard copper wire. The wire on the right is the same copper wire with Peterson's integrated moisture barrier. On a normal system, moisture wicks through the wiring and corrodes from the inside out. As we time-lapse this shot, observe the moisture leaking through the untreated wire. Compare that to the integrated moisture barrier-treated wire, which has completely stopped the capillary action. If a section of integrated moisture barrier harness is compromised, it stops the spread of moisture and corrosion to other components, while our modular design allows for a simple and quick replacement of the damaged part.